everyone, my name is Bella and I am a student here at Marist College. Today, we're taking a look around Midrise Hall. This residence hall has approximately 335 students across 5 floors. Midrise houses first-year students, sophomores, and transfer students. This residence hall has a lot to offer, so let's go check it out. Midrise is a little different than other traditional residence halls. It offers suite-style living. Each suite has a common room, a common bathroom, and 3 double occupancy rooms. The common rooms are furnished with couches and chairs. The bathrooms have a shower, lavatory, and sink. And each bedroom is home to 2 students, each with their own height-adjustable bed, dresser, desk with chair, and in-wall closet space. There is also room for a mini fridge and microwave that you can either bring from home or rent from the college. As for TV, we use an internet-based service that you can watch on a Roku device, computer, or even your smartphone. On the second floor, Midrise offers a full kitchen with a microwave and dining area where you can prepare meals and socialize with friends. Down the hall is a laundry facility where machines can be monitored online and are free to use. Midrise also offers lounges throughout the building where you can watch TV, study, socialize, or enjoy planned activities organized by residential staff. Every residence hall, including Midrise, has a resident director that oversees the building, as well as a resident assistant on all of the floors. RDs are live-in professional staff members that are responsible for the day-to-day operations and oversee the RAs. RAs are extensively trained upperclassmen who are responsible for developing programming, promoting positive community development, and acting as a resource for fellow resident students. Midrise also has a coordinator from the Office of First-Year Programs. This professional staff member mentors new students throughout their first year at Marist to help them with their academic, social, and emotional transition to college. What I love about Midrise is that it is attached to the Rotunda and Student Center, where things like the dining hall, student activities, and the cabaret are located. It's also the only first-year residence hall to be suite style. I hope you've enjoyed our tour of Midrise Hall and everything it has to offer. If you want to see Midrise or any of our other residence halls for yourself, schedule a campus tour at marist.edu/visit. If you want to learn more about housing at Marist, check out our housing website at marist.edu/housing. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.